Hello and welcome to Life Stationaries. I am your crafting host, Kylie, and I'm really excited. So I went to the thrift store today with my mom. She had to go get some stuff, and I found some stuff, and I'm really excited. So this is the first thing I found, and the name brand Focus. Oh, did you see it? And I got it for only $2.50. Actually, it was half price. So not even $2.50. Womp, womp, womp. Okay. It's a magnetic board. So it is a white thick board. We have metal on the back and these little hanging things that go on your wall. So I'm going to put little plastic things in here so it does not cut up my bottom mat. And look at this. I have a pretty mat to show off my books. Doesn't that look so much better? But I am excited because I needed a board to where I'm not cutting through, because I cut through this all the time. And something that looks nice and that's firm and not so much of the softness as I get from the side tablecloth over here. So trying to organize that on the desk so it's not hanging over. And if you've ever noticed my desk right here, it's an oval shape. It's not straight. So as long as I get the corners on, and that stuff's going to have to be underneath there now, I think that looks pretty snazzy. Okay, so now I'm going to show off some goodies, and I'm in love with this one. Look at this. This is in a plastic. Remember, everything was half off. Isn't that neat? It is a fan in here. And I've got cardboard. We're going to open this up. I'm going to take a little needle and cut it up. Just a needle. I think these ladies are very pretty. You're one of life's special gifts. Look at those. Aren't those pretty? And they're all connected in the back to from. And they fold together. I think I'm going to take these apart and I'm going to use them as bookmarks in my books. Or maybe other creative stuff. And then I have to get all the plastic off of here first, huh? You can see my fingers not working with me. Plastic, we don't want you on there. Okay, so the plastic is off. Where it goes. Now we have this. This is a pretty cool paper. Got some writing down here for the company and everything like that. If you want to know where those fans are from, there you go. And the address. Fort Worth, Texas. I have one of my daughters, when she's only 11 right now, but when she grows up, she said that she wants to live in Texas. And now, if you have any idea how cold Colorado is and how it's dry and we don't have humidity. Oh, and I get an envelope. Look at that. I'm really excited about that. But we don't have humidity or anything here, so I'm really questionable about how she's going to take Texas. Okay, I had to get out of the way of my chair. So we even have this board right here. It's cardboard, which awesome. White cardboard, we can always use that for stuff. So we can use the fans, we can use the paper, we can use the envelope, we can use the cardboard, all for making stuff. So very exciting. I'm excited. I found some division cards, which we can use these for pockets or tucks, or you can also tuck them into pockets and stuff. So I found that one. And some multiplication cards. I wonder what clean means. I haven't seen clean on any of these before. But let's see. I also found these are Colorado cards, wildflowers. If you know my channel, you know that this is something that I'm always getting real wildflowers out of the packets, cards, books, roses. This is a magazine that I keep on coming across. I have a couple of these, and these are older magazines. Let's see if there happens to be a date in here. Copyright 1951. So, I mean, you could tell that they're older pictures. Fabulous pictures. Amazing pictures. Look at all those. I'm excited. Really love rose books. And here's another one. The Art of Flower Arranging. Oh, that's pretty. Let's see. 1981. Yep, that's the oldest date I see on there is 1981. And in here, look at those flowers. Look at those. So in love with flowers. Yes, I am. And gardens. Oh, I want the biggest vegetable garden in the world because I don't want to buy vegetables no more. I just want to make them myself. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not a property owner. So I'm taking these apart. And there's tape. I don't like tape, but I like glue. Is that funny? They both can be sticky. They both stick to you. But why is it that I don't mind glue on my fingers, but I really, really mind tape? Kind of an odd thing. So here is these. And take the tag off. We're going to make some book covers out of these. I have been extremely excited about making book covers out of these. I have been looking for these everywhere, and they're plastic table mats. And I want to make a journal out of them. Just a nice sewn journal. And so I'm going to make one, and then we can make one together. So I'm really excited about that coming up project. That'll be exciting. Put these back in here so you can see those still, since I'm just leaving everything else right here. Okay. So then, uno, dos, tres. Which one do I pick next? We're going to go with these. There is a zipper somewhere. There it is. Trying to look in the camera. Take the tag off of the pocket right here. Half off, half off. Everything was half off. I've been looking at this for quite a while, and inside we have a couple of pockets here, a zipper here, just a fold, and on this side of the fold we have credit card pockets, and on this side of the fold we have credit card pockets, as well as a pocket here. Okay, and this pocket. And we have the chain. We are going to make junk journals out of these. I say these because, yes, indeed, there is 2 of these. Are they the same price? I didn't even look. Yep, same price. Half price, though. This one has a little wear and tear right here. I'm not really worried about that. I like stuff that looks like that, but this one has snaps, and you open it, it's got the pocket here, credit card pockets here, a zipper pocket, And then over here we have your driver's license as well as more credit cards. And no outside pocket, but we still have our loop. And so I'm really excited about making junk journals out of those. I found a game. I'm not making anything out of this game, just for me and my kids to play. I'm excited. My youngest daughter, every time I turn around, she's asking me if we can play tic-tac-toe. And so, tic-tac-toe, I'm excited. This one, half off again. We have more tape. I don't know. I like going to the thrift store and buying stuff to do crafts out of because it's like Christmas and you gotta open up the packages. Okay, so I got this, and this goes to a Singer. I have a Singer, and they're the button ones. They're not all there, and I knew that, but hopefully this will help me make the buttons. We will see. Yes, indeedy doodle. Because I can't make buttonholes to save my life. Or sew buttons on. So, this was the most expensive thing I bought. And it is a necklace. So, are we twisted up? No, it looks like it's on one piece. Both of these are on one. Must go like this. So, yeah, it must go like that. What I will probably do is tack these together with a piece of wire. Those will end up going on the front of a book. And I'll take these two pieces right here, and I have some wire cutters. Focus up here. Yeah. These pieces right here. I'll take some wire cutters and cut those off. And lift around a junk journal, because that is one of the older chains, the really nice ones. So that might be wrapped around a journal. And then my number one excitement for my shopping trip. Do you remember what these are? Looks like that was the original price of them. And these are slides, I believe. They're called just slides. I'm going to try to do this. There's a house. Looks like that's a bathroom. A bedroom. A kitchen. And the last one is, looks like a factory. Can you see that? There's a train over here and horses. So, these say that they are from North Dakota. I'm so excited. And guess what? I got 2 of them. We don't find stuff like this at our stores here. We are not an old town. We are actually one of the newer towns in Colorado, newest towns in Colorado. And some of this old stuff is not heard of here. And so, trying to get that staple out. Seeing stuff like this is pretty neat for me. This is the first time I've ever seen these. Had these. Looks like that's a picture from a museum. There's a man. Church. I don't know what that is. Probably something in North Dakota. So yeah, I thought I would share my finds with you. And then I got this nifty bag to bring everything home in from the thrift store. We're going to make something out of this. So everything we got, we can make stuff out of, and stay tuned, and then you can come along with me. Some of this stuff you already have at your house. Maybe you have some old purses and you won't mind having your junk journal in one of your old purses. We'll do stuff with that. Old jewelry, cards and decks of cards. So yes, I just wanted to show you what I got from the thrift store. Thank you so much for stopping by. Remember, I have an Etsy shop, as well as come and see the Facebook page. Stop on by and like and subscribe. Click the bell so you can get a reminder for the next video. And remember, craft until your heart is content.